This is lesson 1.1, Powers and Exponents, example 2 of 2. There's only 2. So, and our task for this one is to write each power in expanded form and find its value. So, again, a power is a base with an exponent. If you have a number or a letter, we'll get to that later, a letter or a number with a little tiny number up there. And again, that little tiny number does not mean I'm going to do 3 times 2. Do not do this. This does not equal 6. This does not equal 6. No. So, what does it equal? Well, we know that when we have the little tiny number, we read this as 3 to the power of 2, or 3 squared. And that means we are multiplying 3 by itself twice. So that's going to be 3 times 3. And we're going to find its value. So what is 3 times 3? Well, that is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 squared equals 9. All right, let's do another one. 1 to the power of 5. 1 to the power of 5. So, 1 to the power of 5, and this doesn't have 5, only 2 and powers of 2 and 3 have the fancy thing. 2 is squared, 3 is cubed, 5 is just to the power of 5. 1 to the power of 5 is going to be equal to 1 multiplied by itself 5 times. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, and, well, what is 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1? I hope you know that. It's 1, not L. 1, it's 1, just 1. That's it. 1 to the power of anything is going to be 1. The reason you would do 1 to the power of something is if you're working with negatives, because if you have an odd number, anyway, it doesn't matter. Right now, we're doing 4 to the power of 3. 4, we'd read this as 4 cubed. 4 cubed, or 4 to the power of 3, which is going to equal 4 times 4 times 4. And we can solve this. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4. And 16 times 4 is going to be the same as 8 times 8, which equals 64. I could also do over here. 16 times 4. 24. 6. 64. So 4 cubed equals 64. Not 12. Anything else? Nope, that's it.